So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Darth Vader's lightsaber. So for this lightsaber I used a piece of PVC pipe, but you can also just use a cardboard roll. And then I took some silver adhesive foil and I wrapped that around the piece of PVC. And then just took a pair of scissors and trimmed off the edge. Then you want to take a bottle cap and run a line of glue around the outside. You'll have to use something like Power Tack. You can't use hot glue for this because you need something that will stick to the foil. And then just give that a coating of metallic silver paint. Then cut several long rectangles of 3mm craft foam, and then some that are half the width of those. So lay one of the wider ones down, run a line of glue along the edge of one of the thin ones, and you're just going to glue that on edge right in the center of the bigger one. And then you'll put a little bit of glue on the bottom. Again, you need to use something that'll stick to the foil. And you're just going to put that all the way around the bottom of the lightsaber for grips. So then you cut kind of a long rectangle with another little rectangle sticking out of it, kind of this oddly shaped piece, and glue that around the end, making sure a little bit overhangs. And then cut a rectangle with a curved edge, glue that around in a circle, and it should be small enough to slip right into the circle you created with the other piece of foam at the end of the lightsaber, just like that. So now it's starting to look like a lightsaber. So then you take just another rectangle of 3mm craft foam and glue that around the center. Then take a small rectangle of 5mm craft foam, glue that in the center of the rectangle you just glued on, so it's on the side of the lower. And then you want to coat it in silver foil on the sides. Then take some sticky back sequins, and you want to make a line of those down that 5mm rectangle. There's actually one line of sequins. There should only be one line of sequins, but I did two because my rectangle was wide and it looked better. So then just take two really thin pieces of craft foam, and you're just going to glue those on either side of your line of sequins. Gives them kind of an edge, like that. Then just take a piece of cardboard and wrap a little bit of silver foil around it. That's going to be the switch, so glue that on the side. And then just take a couple of miscellaneous buttons and a snap, anything like that, paint them silver. Glue the snap onto the side, then cut a rectangle with a curved edge from 3mm craft foam, glue that toward the top of the lightsaber, and get a key ring or some sort of ring, stick that on the end, and glue a piece of craft foam over it to hold it in place. Just a little rectangle. So then take those silver buttons, and you're going to glue the two of them right along the black part of the lightsaber. And then I just stuck a black snap down below those. So here's what the entire lightsaber looks like. It's very similar to the one that he had when he was still Anakin, so clearly he couldn't let go of his past.
Come to the dark side. We have Pink Floyd.